Hi, in front of me is CAT S61 and today I would like to show you how you can easily and successfully add events to calendar on this CAT device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above and select the date. When you're done, you can click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event. Then customize it however you want to. You can add a title, set up starting hour, ending one, or click on the switcher next to all daily feature to turn it on or off. You can add people, choose location, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, change color, and even take notes. When you're done, click Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, all you need to do is tap on it, click at the three dots at the top right corner and choose Delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!